and I have made 3 paper rolls and I have painted it. Now I am taking a waste box like this. And now we have to take a paper roll and we have to mark the round like this and we have to cut it. Now I will show that. You have to cut like this and you have to fix the paper roll in it. Like this. And we have to do for the 3 paper rolls. Now our stumps are ready. We have to make the pail for it. And for making pails, we need stick like this and we need a piece of a paper. And do what I am doing like this. You should make the pail like this. And now we have made the bales. And now our cricket stumps are ready. And we can test it.